Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Vineet Gera from Gurukul Publishing, Hyderabad, and yet another Hall of Fame interview. And today we have very special, very smiling personality with us, Sunny Nagpal ji. Sunny ji, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm very, very happy to be with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. सनी जी ने अभी ये किताब लिखी है, पहली किताब इनकी, नो सेल्फ, लव सेल्फ एंड सेलिब्रेट सेल्फ. तो सनी जी, बिफोर वी टॉक अबाउट द बुक, फर्स्ट लेट अस टॉक अबाउट यू.
I love children and I love life. And I'm very, very blessed to be a volunteer of Chinmaya Mission. I'm born and brought up in Chinmaya Mission, Chinmaya Vidyalaya. I worked with Dr. Kiran Bedi for 7 years in the slums in her education project. And I'm your child now, learning from you the art of book writing and sharing my message because you have inspired a lot and you've inspired thousands of people to write, to start the journey of the author. So you are bringing out the best out of us and we are just celebrating the journey with you and life goes on with a smile.
Great, superb, superb. Thank you so much, sir. And now let us talk about the book. How you look at it? Why did you choose this particular topic? No self. People know themselves, no?
This is a beautiful mystery that we think we know, but we really don't know. And we don't know that we don't know. So Almighty made us unique. Nature has given us a lot of gifts, which you are helping so many unleash. But there is so much hidden within each of us. The unique brain wiring in us, हम आविष्कार हैं, हम चमत्कार हैं, हम miracle हैं. We are born with different gifts, each of us. And we often listen to trainers, they say, आप unique हो, आप में कुछ है, कुछ अलग है. But sadly, millions suffer. They do hit and trial and error. They waste a lot of resources in their grade 11, in their graduation. They face midlife career crisis. Some of us are successful. Some of us are finding success. Some of us are successful and satisfied. Some of us are searching for satisfaction. Some of us are filled with a lot of crores, but are empty within. So this book is health and wealth, peace and peace, success and satisfaction, excellence and fulfillment. A book which is ideal for teenagers to explore themselves, to understand themselves, to find the GPS of life, for parents to understand their children, to love them more, to understand them more, to celebrate them more, for teachers to identify the gem within each of the students, and professionals to accept themselves as it is, for spouses to enjoy their family life. Yes, we are different, and let us know how we are different. So this gift came to me in my life at the age of 35, and I want the whole world to find it as early as 2 years of age.
Super.
It is possible.
Great. Sunny ji, because success की बात चली है, recently the results of the board exams are out. What do you feel? See, a lot of students, they feel that if they achieve 90% and more, they feel successful. Is it so? Or how they should define? See, success have different meaning to different people, right?
True.
So how should a student define his success?
Beautiful, sir. Sir, there's a concept called as multiple intelligence. We're all aware of it. You know, there are 9 intelligences. And not just intelligence that gives us happiness or that is success to everyone. There is an inner peace which we all can feel at every minute. You know, there's something called that aha moment. So we want aha moments, everyone to have, whether you have scored 40, whether you have scored 60, whether you have scored 90. And success to students is marks today, yes, no doubt about it. But I want you to understand, family life and work life is all about right brain. The 40 years of life is not going to be marks. Marks come from the left brain. And harmony, happiness comes from the right brain. So this book is going to reveal a lot of such secrets, how to gain the best of both worlds, how to have a complete movie of life as a bestseller, Oscar-winning movie. So that
Great.
is possible. Left brain and right brain balance.
Super,
And
super.
it is all within us.
Obviously, and it's a great message to the parents also, to the teachers also, that it's not only the marks, but life is a bigger game, right? And there is a huge difference between richness and happiness. So what kind
Yeah.
of kid you are raising, you need to define. Superb, superb, superb. In your book, I've come across that you are talking about some tests. What are those, and why one should go through those, and what is the benefit of those?
Yeah. So that's a super question because in theory, I can tell you, yes, left brain and right brain, talents are within us. Nobody is born to fail. Yes. But how do I find excellence? How do I find what comes naturally to me, effortlessly to me? That ease and peace. Yes. So that is called as genetic brain profiling. It's a beautiful concept by Midna Global. Founder Ratnaswamy sir, he was the co-founder of Thyrocare as well. So he came up with this beautiful concept, a test without blood. So this talks about our brain design, how we are wired, and this is way 1,000 times better, reliable, the most effective tool available today on the planet to know a person in 20 minutes and to get results of over 20 psychometric tests. And at peanut prices. Today, if I go for my DISC or MBTI profile, I need to spend 3 to 5,000 per
Right.
test. And we give this particular test at just 3,000 or 2,500, result of 20 psychometric tests. So it is worth lakhs, crores, and the enlightenment that comes from knowing oneself, there's no more guilt, there's no more fear, and
Correct.
there's eternal infinite happiness. And
Correct.
we actually self-actualize what the concept is told in Maslow's motivation triangle.
Great. And it is always better to identify your talents in the early age so that you can give more time for the experimentation. Otherwise,
Yeah.
what happens if
So
the realization is happening at the later part of the life, then you lose on that time, right?
yes, Dr. Kiran Bedi told the same thing, that there are two things, nature and nurture. The earlier you find, you get to nurture it, because we need a great environment, we need opportunities. So as parents, as teachers, as elders, let us give opportunity to self and to the future generation.
Great. Superb. Now, there is one portion of your book which talks about, even the title also talks about celebrate life. I keep on getting a lot of calls day in, day out. Do you have any job? Because of this pandemic, we have lost our job. A few people say, business is not happening. Few people say that, till the time I cannot see any future for next 1 year, 2 year. And then Sunny Nagpal says, celebrate life. How?
Beautiful, sir. So this book, and Japanese have coined a concept called as ikigai. So there is something in all of us which we will do even without money. What is that? That which comes easily to us. For example, if I'm a talker, I can talk without money because brain is getting a job which it loves to do, which has energy to spend. So those things, if we can use it to help the poor, to volunteer in an NGO, I can guarantee you we'll enhance those skills and we can make money out of it, and God will open 10,000 doors by finding our micro niche, by growing and making it a business, a profitable venture as well. So let's start giving what we have. So that is the secret of Celebrate Self. Giving
Right.
our gainers. Takers are never happy.
Agree, 100%. And I tell you one more thing, wherein it doesn't require any money. Sharing this video. Those who are watching this video, they can just click the button on share so that it can reach to different people. It doesn't need money, isn't it? Right?
Yeah. So definitely they will get money using all their talents.
Correct.
So let us use the nurture our nature, and celebrate life.
Celebrate
And let
life.
us be givers, active givers.
Correct. Agree. 100% agree. Because, it's all about finding. If you start finding the excuse, you have multiple excuses. If you
Yes.
start finding the, happiness, there are multiple reasons to smile. There are multiple reasons to be what you are. Great. Super.
Yeah.
Okay, Sunny, any last message, word of wisdom would you like to convey to our viewers?
Tell yourself, I love you myself. And be a giver. Have faith, count blessings, and nothing goes wrong on the planet. So I want the whole world to be happy, celebrate life. It's a beautiful journey, a 7-star cruise, fully paid world tour, and everything is turning out to be beautiful with little life lessons, humility, training for the mind, contentment. Life is only teaching in every situation, in all kinds of times. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot, Sunny. And the last question, if somebody wants to buy this book, how they can do that?
Yes, they can go to Amazon and they are free to gift the best thing to themselves, invest on themselves, and gift it to the near and dear ones so that every moment, every heartbeat, every breath can be filled with immense joy and love.
Superb. Thank you so much, Sunny, for being with us and sharing your very positive thoughts with the viewers. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
ladies and gentlemen, I would request that it's one of a unique kind of books which everybody, whether you are a parent or you are a teacher or you are a student, you should go ahead and read this. I'm providing you the link below this video. If you are watching it on YouTube, if you are on Facebook, I would request Sunny to please put the buy link in the comment box so that those who are interested, they can follow the link and they can go ahead and buy this, right? So thank you so much, sir. And
Thank you.
thanks to all the viewers and we'll see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.